Peony trees are renowned for their stunning, fragrant blooms and are a favorite among gardeners. While traditionally planted in garden beds, growing peony trees in containers offers several advantages, including portability, flexibility, and the ability to provide optimal growing conditions. In this video, we will provide a comprehensive guide on how to successfully grow peony trees in containers, allowing you to enjoy their magnificent flowers even in limited gardening spaces. Choosing the right container. Selecting the appropriate container is crucial for the successful growth of peony trees. Opt for a large container with a minimum diameter of 18 to 24 inches and a similar depth to accommodate the tree's root system. Ensure the container has proper drainage holes to prevent waterlogging, as excess moisture can lead to root rot. Soil requirements. Peony trees thrive in well-draining, fertile soil. Prepare a potting mix consisting of equal parts of garden soil, compost, and perlite or sand for improved drainage. This blend provides a balanced environment for the tree's roots to grow and access essential nutrients. Sunlight and location. Peony trees require a minimum of 6 hours of direct sunlight per day to thrive and produce abundant blooms. Place your container in a location that receives ample sunlight, such as a south-facing patio or balcony. If necessary, adjust the position of the container throughout the day to ensure the tree receives optimal sunlight. Watering and fertilization. Watering is a critical aspect of container gardening. Ensure the soil remains consistently moist but not waterlogged. Avoid overwatering, as peony trees are susceptible to root rot. Water deeply whenever the top inch of soil feels dry, allowing excess water to drain away. Pruning and maintenance. Peony trees require minimal pruning. Remove any dead or damaged branches in early spring before new growth begins. Maintain a well-groomed appearance by deadheading spent flowers throughout the blooming season. Winter care. Container-grown peony trees are more susceptible to frost damage than those planted in the ground. To protect your tree during winter, move the container to a sheltered location, such as a garage or shed, where the temperature remains above freezing. Alternatively, wrap the container with insulating material or use a horticultural fleece to shield the tree from extreme cold. Growing peony trees in containers allows you to bring their beauty and elegance to any outdoor space, regardless of size. By following these guidelines on container selection, soil preparation, sunlight, watering, fertilization, pruning, and winter care, you can create an environment that promotes healthy growth and abundant blooming for your peony tree. Enjoy the magnificent flowers and the joy they bring throughout the gardening season.